this is our ship that we made. We made it out of all recyclable material, mostly cardboard, and some parts are like plastic, and then wood recycled. So basically this is the Costa Rican Space Force ship. Here we have like a cannon, all of these little turrets, and basically this whole assembly right here, like all these little things are like granaries to protect. And over here, this is like the jets right here. I really like those.
What are those things made of?
Well, these are like yogurt cups, and then here's like just a cardboard box. And we're gonna make it kind of like productive, and it has like Makey Makey is gonna be wired to it. So this is the ground. You have to hold that to like activate these, which are gonna make something happen. That's basically it. Maybe you could see down here, if you zoom over here, there's like jets below it. Those are the jets below it. Well, hello everybody. So we decided to take the spaceship a step further and add sound effects. So basically I'll explain what's going on here. As you can see right here, this is called a Makey Makey. It's like an interactive board, and basically all these wires, this is copper tape, and all these alligator clips are connected to different parts of this. So basically, once I touch the ground, I become the switch in the circuits. So you could press any button here. For example, that's this turret. That is the small turret right there. So, and the cool thing is, you could do it any speed you want. Like, let's say I want to do it like this. And we have this big gun. That one's like a cannon. And there's some other sound effects for the spaceship, like for example,
initiating launch sequence.
That's like an alarm. And then the last one.
257. 257. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So that's basically what we did for the Makey Makey here. Now, the next thing I want to talk about is how we did this. So basically, this is the code. This is how we made all those sound effects work. This is a free website, I believe, called Scratch. And these are just events with sounds. So for example, this is a distress code, this is the launch sequence, this is a laser, this is a big laser, and this is the alarm. It's very simple once you get the hang of it, and I think anybody could do this. When it says, as you can see right here, it says up arrow, space, left arrow, right arrow, down arrow. Basically, if you didn't like have the copper tape, you could make things work with these.
2, 5, 7. 2, 5, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
And I think this is a really cool project. And thank you everybody for watching.